Well, today I purchased a camera, basically a backup camera for my Ford Fusion. It doesn't have a backup camera in it. It's not quite the lowest model, but it's a SE, which is one step up from the S, and it does not have a backup camera. And one of the things I find as I age, I have a greater problem backing up without hitting stuff. So I decided to get the camera to try and help me out a little bit. So if you're interested in watching me, and it shouldn't take very long, install a backup camera, stick around. So this is the camera. Came MHCA BSR, and again, it's relatively inexpensive. It has a camera and a screen, and waterproof, infrared, night vision, blah blah blah. So let's try it out. But it's plug and play, wireless, and a weatherproof camera with night vision. So there you have it. Let's open this puppy up and see how it looks. All right, as you can see, I'm doing this one-handed. Voila! And let's see what it has going on. Ooh, look at this. This is really nicely packed. Really nicely. I don't have to cut anything. Come on, you can do it. One-handed. La, la, la. Oops, almost lost my box. So there's the product manual right on the top. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. So this is the camera. And I guess I need, hopefully, oh man. I guess I need to read the instructions. So I have the camera. And then I have the backup screen, which looks like it plugs directly into my cigarette lighter. Hopefully I have a cigarette lighter since I don't smoke. And here's some sticky stuff. Remove paper from covering front and back to stick properly. All right, so there you go. Packed pretty good. I don't know exactly whether it comes with a battery or not. So let me read the instruction. I'll get right back with you. All right, there you go. So I read the instruction, and it's very simple. It says it takes a 9-volt battery, and I could replace it, but it says load 9-volt battery, but they already did. So it comes with a battery in it. So it says to turn it on, all right, so I read the instructions, which are incredibly simple. And long story short, to turn on the camera, you just push the button for 2 seconds. And when that blue light stays on, it's on. So, and then you mount it where you want it to be mounted, and then you pair it. So let me go put this on. I'll show you where I'm going to put it, I think, and then we'll go from there. I've run into a bit of an issue. This entire back panel is plastic, and it's got a plastic bottom too, so I can't even put it down below. So the only place with metal is the good old trunk lid. So I place it here, and then we're gonna go get the other piece, put it on in the car, and see how it works. And I don't know if you can see it, but the blue light's still on, I think. So here we go. All right, with the Fusion, the cigarette lighter, or the 12-volt DC, is way down here. So I don't know if this is gonna work for me here, but we'll try it. If I can get it in. I can't do this one-handed, but I'll see what I can do. Well, there you go. It definitely works, and it's easy to control. The controller right over here. I don't know if you can see it, but it definitely shows me It gives me the ability to back up without running over anything, so that's a good item to have. Seems pretty well made. Time will tell. So thank you, and hopefully this will help you make your decision. Well, there you go. It works, and it should help, and it's pretty well attached to the back there. So I'll put a link below if you want to go take a look at this. And like I said, it's pretty inexpensive, and it'll do what it needs to do. And I may or may not have a follow-up video on it, but thanks again for watching. Hopefully this helps you out. If it does, please give it a like, a share, a subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and as always, I greatly appreciate every one of you. So thank you, and have a great day.